shoppers and savers, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time checking it out. We're at Kroger today for week 2 of the current buy 3 save $2 mega event. As a reminder, for this mega event, you must buy a minimum of 3 participating mega event items in order to save $2 on each item. Now, that does not mean you have to buy 3 of the same item. You can mix and match between all participating mega event items throughout the store. You also do not have to buy in increments of 3. You can buy 3, you can buy 5, 7, 11. It does not matter as long as you buy a minimum of 3 items. In addition to the mega event deals, we have a lot of other easy deals that you can do this week, so let's head inside and I'll show you what we got. Okay, I have a new personal care instant savings deal for y'all this week. You want to grab 3 Colgate toothpaste on sale for $3.99 and clip this $5 off 3 digital coupon. Any variety of Tums on sale for $5.49 and clip this $1.50 digital coupon. A Dove Men Plus Care 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner on sale for $4.99 and clip this $2 digital coupon. And for the last item, you can grab one of the following 4 options. A bottle of Dove body wash priced at $7.99 and clip this $2 digital coupon. A bottle of Dove Men Plus Care body wash priced at $7.99 and clip this $2 digital coupon. A Dove Men Plus Care deodorant on sale for $7.99 and clip this $2 digital coupon. Or for the last option, you can grab a bottle of Dove dry shampoo on sale for $7.99 and clip this $2 digital coupon. In addition to the coupons, Kroger is also running this promotion. For every $15 that you grab in participating beauty and personal care items, you're going to instantly save $5 at the register. Here's an example of what your final cart should look like, and the retail value for all 6 items is $30.44. So since we are reaching that $15 threshold for the instant savings promotion twice, the discount savings is going to apply twice, taking off a total of $10. Combine that with the $10.50 that we have in digital coupons, and your out-of-pocket cost is going to be $9.94 plus tax, or $1.66 per item. There's not much happening this week as far as weekly digital deals go. I thought I would mention a couple though, like these Lay's stacked chips that are on sale for $1.99 and a weekly digital deal, making each can up to 5 in one transaction 99 cents. You're also going to want to check your region to see what the weekly digital deal is for eggs. In my region, the eggs are regular $4.39, but with the weekly digital deal coupon, they're $2.99. With how high eggs are right now and the fact that this is the 18 count carton, this is a great price. So again, check your region and see what they're offering. And this isn't the best deal that we've ever seen for soda, but a lot of the 12 packs are priced at $10.99, and they are a weekly digital deal, making each one $4.99. The weekly digital deal applies to a majority of the 12 packs, so you can grab what you need, and it's also a great time to stock up for the Super Bowl. All right, now mega event deal time. So I shared a mega event deal last week for these Kellogg's Glazed Donut Hole cereal, but the deal got even better this week. The cereal is still on sale for $4.49 and part of the mega event, making it $2.49. In the Kroger app, we now have a 75-cent digital coupon, so make sure to clip that, and at the register, you'll pay $1.74 out of pocket for 1 box. You can then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents cash back, making your final net total for $1.99. These Atkins frozen meals are on sale for $4.49 and part of the mega event, making them $2.49 each. You'll pay the $2.49 out of pocket, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $1 back, making this $1.49. The Ibotta rebate has a limit of 5. And as a reminder, if you're not currently saving with Ibotta or any of the other rebate apps featured in this video, I do have links for all of them down in the description below. And when you sign up for any or all of them, you will unlock a welcome bonus. Moving right along, we have the 8 count packs of the Nature's Own perfectly crafted brioche buns. These are priced at $4.29 and part of the mega event, making them $2.29 each. You want to grab 2 packs, and at the register, you'll be left to pay $4.58 out of pocket for both. You can then submit your receipt over to Ibotta for 75 cents back when you buy 2, making your final net total for both $3.83 or $1.92 each. An easy mega event deal that you can grab are these bags of Tic Tac chewy candies. They're priced at $3.99 and part of the mega event, making each bag $1.99. We also have these bags of Simple Truth freeze-dried peaches. They're on sale for $3.99 and part of the mega event, making them $1.99 a bag. The 30-ounce jars of Hellmann's mayonnaise are on sale for $6.49 and they're part of the mega event, making them $4.49 each. In the Kroger app, we also have a $2 off digital coupon, so clip that, and at the register, you'll be left to pay $2.49 out of pocket for 1. You also want to check to see if any of the varieties are on clearance at your store. As you can see here, the canola variety is on clearance for $4.07, and after mega event savings, that makes it $2.07, and we have that $2 digital coupon, making one of these only 7 cents. Keeping the mega event deals going, we have the 6 count of the Egg Life Egg White Wraps. These are priced at $5.99 and they're part of the mega event, making them $3.99. You'll pay the $3.99 out of pocket, but then you can submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $1.25 back, making your final net total $2.74. The Ibotta rebate has a limit of 2. Another cereal deal that you can do is for the boxes of Premier Protein cereal. These are priced at $5.79 and part of the mega event, making them $3.79 a box. You'll pay that $3.79 out of pocket, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back, making your final net total $2.79. That Ibotta rebate has a limit of 5. Rounding on our mega event deals, you can grab this Kevin's Thai-style coconut chicken. It is on sale for $7.99 and part of the mega event, making it $5.99. You'll pay the $5.99 out of pocket, but then submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $3 back, making your final net total for $2.99. The Ibotta rebate for this has a limit of 2. Now we have just some easy coupon and rebate deals that you can do. The first one is for this House Autry chicken fry mix. It is priced at $2.79. You'll pay that out of pocket, but then you can submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $2 back, making your final net total 79 cents. The Ibotta rebate has a limit of 5. The Glade air freshener sprays are on sale for $2.49, down from $2.79. You'll pay that out of pocket, but then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back, making your final net total for $1.99. That Ibotta rebate also has a limit of 5. The links of Zatarain smoked sausage are on sale for $3.49, and for this deal, you want to go ahead and grab 2. In the Kroger app, you also want to clip this $4.99 off 2 digital coupon. After you scan your Kroger card or enter your phone number at checkout, that digital coupon will apply, leaving you to pay $1.99 out of pocket, or roughly $1 each. This next deal is for the Krusteaz Chocolate Brownie Batter Mix and the Brownie Batter Mix only. It's on sale for $5.99 and you'll pay that out of pocket. You can then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $2.25 back, and also check your fetch account for this offer for 2,500 points or $2.50. That makes your final net total just $1.24, and both rebates have a limit of 3. You can grab a bottle of this Tide Plus Oxy Laundry Stain Remover priced at $5.49. And in the Kroger app, clip this $1.50 digital coupon. That'll leave you to pay $3.99 out of pocket, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2.50 back, making your final net total for $1.49. The International Delight Love is Blind varieties of coffee creamer are on sale 2 for $8. So for this deal, you want to grab 2, and then in the Kroger app, clip this $2 off 2 digital coupon. That'll leave you to pay $6 out of pocket, but then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.25 back for each one, for a total of $2.50. That makes your final net cost for both $3.50 or $1.75 each. Dove hand washes are on sale for $3.99, and in the Kroger app, we have a $2 digital coupon, so that's going to make one of these $1.99 at the register. For our last regular deal, we have the 4-pack of the Tide washing machine cleaners priced at $9.49. And in the Kroger app, we have a $3 off digital coupon. With that coupon, you'll pay $6.49 at the register for one, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 back, making your final net total for one of these $2.49. All right, so there's a lot of different sections clearancing out right now at Kroger that you're going to want to look for. Items are up to now 75% off. The first section you're going to want to check is the cleaning aisle. We have this Rid-X here that's 70% off, down to $5.25. Lysol, Clorox, Mr. Clean, you name it, all the brands are on clearance. But as always, keep in mind that pricing and availability may vary by store. You're also going to want to check the dish soap and the dishwasher pods. A lot of markdowns there. We have digital coupons for the finished dish tabs, as well as some of these are part of the instant savings promotion. When you buy 2, you're going to save $10 instantly. If you saw last week's video, you know we can combine those with the digital coupons, so great savings there if you find some. There wasn't a whole lot, but some of the bug sprays were also marked down. They were all pretty much 50% off, the ones that were on clearance. One of my favorite finds of the day were these jugs of the Off Backyard insect chemicals. Y'all, with how bad the bugs were last year, I definitely stocked up on this. These were 75% off, only $4. The final aisle you're going to want to check is for the mayonnaise and salad dressing. As you can see here, we have items up to 75% off. Don't forget to check for any digital coupons or any other savings that you might have to pair with the clearance finds. I shared the canola mayonnaise deal earlier, but this Hellmann's Italian herb and garlic dressing here is $1.65, and we have a $1 off digital coupon, making it only 65 cents. Be sure to also check the expiration dates and make sure what you're grabbing is still good. One last condiment clearance find was over in the clearance section. If you watched last week's video, you know the Flavortown sauces are part of the mega event, and this one is on clearance for $2.18. So with $2 off, that's going to make one of these just 18 cents. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for this week's Best Kroger Deals video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and that you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I also want to remind y'all about the printable list down in the description below that you can print out and take to the store with you to make shopping these deals easy. Don't forget to also check out last week's Best Kroger Deals video, as I included a ton of mega event deals that are still valid this week. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye, y'all.